Welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today I will be making a oats and cocoa mask. You're going to need quick oats for this, chia seed oil. This is really great for all skin types, especially blemish prone. And of course, 100% real cocoa powder, as well as some measuring spoons. So you're going to be taking a tablespoon of quick oats. Here I have a half tablespoon, so I'll be using 2 of these. And I'm not using a blender, I'm using a hand grinder. It really takes no time at all with this. Once it looks like this, you know it's done. Pour the finely ground up oats into a bowl. And now we're going to do a tablespoon of cocoa powder. So once again, I have my half tablespoon. I'm doing 2 of these to make a full tablespoon. Now I'm adding in 1/8 of a teaspoon of the chia seed oil. Or if you have a dropper, you can just do 10 drops roughly. The last step here is just water, and this is a half teaspoon of water. Keep adding half teaspoons until you get the right consistency for you. For me, it took 4 half teaspoons, so 2 teaspoons altogether to make the perfect consistency mask. This smells like a chocolate bar. It smells so good. You're going to leave this on for 10 minutes, and then after that, you're going to rinse it off. And your face will be feeling so smooth after. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you like this DIY face mask. Stay tuned for more beauty.